Today we'll be making this very simple yet very sweet everyday flower. We start with 5 chain stitches. Insert hook into the first chain stitch, slip stitch to make a circle, chain 1. Insert hook into the middle of the circle, make 8 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now we start to make the inner layer of the flower. Chain 3. Chain 1. Insert hook into chain number 3, yarn over, slip stitch 1. Into chain number 2, yarn over, slip stitch 2. Insert into the first chain, yarn over, slip stitch 3. Now insert hook into the second stitch on the main circle, slip stitch. Chain 3, chain 1. First 3 chains is the length of the petal. The 4th chain is the width of the petal. So one petal is 3 chains long and 1 chain wide. Finish off on the 3rd stitch on the main circle. Now let's repeat for the next 6 petals. When you finish the first layer of petals, make 40 chains. These 40 chains will be divided into 2 sections. First section will be 14 5-chain long petals. Second section will be 22 7 stitches long petals. We leave 2 chains in between, marked as yellow. They will be used to help return the petals back to the center position. Start from chain 40. We make 7 chains. Chain 1, slip 1, slip 2, slip 3, slip 4, slip 5, slip 6, slip 7. Slip stitch into chain 39. Now chain 7 again. Chain 1, slip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Slip into chain 38. I used the same method to make 22 long petals. From chain 16, I start to make 5 stitch petals. One, 2, 4, 5, slip into chain 15. Use the same method to make the rest of the middle petals. The 2 spare chain stitches here will help you to locate the middle petals at the back. Roll the petals evenly into 2 layers. Now secure the petals from the back.